Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about creativity test. As yesterday we have discussed about what is creativity and how creativity is related to intelligence. So today we are going to understand the concept of creative test. Why do we use creative test in psychology? And what are the characteristics of creativity test? As yesterday we have discussed about that the relation between creativity and intelligence is positive because whatever the innovative ideas we are able to bring out it is on the basis of intelligence. So basically creativity and relation holds a positive relations with one another. Now if we talk about creativity, when we do creativity, certain level of intelligence is required for creativity, but beyond the intelligence does not correlate well with creativity. It means correlate well with creativity means that it is not necessarily a person who is intelligent, he can only bring out the creative ideas. The creative ideas can be bring out from an individual who did not have very high IQ. Even that person can be creative. Now let us understand the characteristics of creativity test. Creativity tests are open-ended. They permit the person to think of different answers to the questions or problem in terms of her or his experiences. So basically here they are using the term open-ended means the solution to a particular problem is not fixed. Like in maths, we generally proceed the answer with only one solution, but if we talk about creativity tests, these tests have solution to a particular problem by using different sets of things, by using a particular set of things, and in order to bring out the effective result, people use their experiences. So basically here they are talking about one of the major characteristics of creative tests is open-ended, and another is that people try to solve problem on the basis of their experiences. They help the individual to go in different directions. So basically creative test helps the person to take up the different challenges in their life. So here they are basically talking about it is not fixed that creativity is fixed in this particular field. Creativity can be applied to any area of. There is freedom to use one imagination and express in original way. So basically here they are talking about people have freedom to use their imaginations. On the basis of the imagination, people try to come out with effective result. For example, when you are told to decorate your class during classroom decoration, then you are supposed to make use of creativity. So here they are basically talking about people try to bring out effective result on the basis of their imaginations. Creativity test involve divergent thinking. As we have studied this term in class 11th, divergent means a solution to a problem is not fixed. We can use different sets of solution to a particular problem. Creativity tests involve divergent thinking and assess such abilities as ability to produce a variety of ideas. So basically here they are talking about the characteristics of divergent thinking, in which individuals can express number of ideas to a particular problem. These are the 4 characteristics of creativity test. Creativity tests are open-ended. Solution to a particular problem is not fixed with one idea. We can use different sets of things. Creativity basically involves one's imaginations and expressed in an original way. So basically here they are talking about people try to express their imagination through creativity. These tests basically measure the general creative thinking abilities, like ability to think of a varieties of ideas on a given topic, situations, or we can say alternative ways of looking at things. So basically here they're talking about when we get stuck to a particular problem, we try to think in a very creative manner. So basically on the basis of our creative thinking, people try to bring out different types of ideas which are very effective in that particular situation. So basically here they're talking about in creative tests we try to use different stimuli like words, figure, actions and sounds. So these are the basic characteristics of creativity test, as we have covered almost all the topics from chapter number 1. So keep on revising whatever we have done, children, and kindly note down this in your notebook, children.